Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro and let me show you how to apply dark theme. At first, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and all you have to do now is to mark dark mode. And that's it. As you can see, it is already active. If you want to customize it, just mark scheduled to schedule it, or enter dark mode settings and apply gentle, medium or enhanced. Then you can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, or you can deactivate this feature. Then also you can adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast, or set some third-party apps for dark mode over here. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.